Hi, I am Kawam. I'm a commercial service specialist for ASUS Tech. Here today we are doing a lot of maintenance work, displaying how easy it is to service and operate, removing certain components from the device. So these laptops are designed to be modular. That allows the components to be removed seamlessly. For example, components such as the battery to the LCD to main board to I/O board, they're able to be removed very quickly and efficiently, all within the space of minutes. All it requires is a Phillips screwdrivers to remove the captive screws in the base of the device, and the same screwdriver can remove every other component on the device. So we've had plenty of positive feedback. A lot of people have learned today how easy it is to replace components, and they didn't know how easy and how quickly this could be done.
I'm walking through here and I see this ASUS stand, and it's just fabulous because here on the stand they're demonstrating that their lovely laptops can be repaired. There are user serviceable parts inside, which is exciting. But why I got really excited about this is because this gives people the opportunity to see what goes on inside the machine. We get so used to this just being a black box with magic happens inside, that here on the ASUS stand you get to see a little something of how that magic even works.
A lot of people have learned today how easy and how quickly this could be done. We've demonstrated today how seamless it is to remove parts such as the I/O board. And we've had plenty of feedback from IT teams as well, explaining how they're saving a lot of downtime from students not having their devices. We talk about modular design all the time, so it's been really great to showcase today how easy it is to do.